It is your teacher once again, Mr. David. I'll be taking you through chemistry today, and today we are going to look at the gas laws. And in gas laws we have three laws, which is the Boyle's law, Charles' law, and the combined gas law. But to be specific today, we are just going to look at one, which is the Boyle's law. In Boyle's law, we are going to look at the relationship between volume of a gas and its pressure. So Boyle's law states that the volume of a gas is inversely proportional to its pressure. When the volume increases, it means that the pressure decreases, and when the volume decreases, its pressure increases. That's what we mean by inversely proportional. So we can say that in this expression, Vp is equal to constant. Now, but we can have some changes in volume on pressure. So when we have changes in volume of pressure, we say that V1, which is the initial volume of a gas, multiplied by P1, the initial pressure, is equal to V2 P2. This is the final volume and this is the final pressure. So this is how in most cases you find question giving you the volume, the initial volume, and the final volume, or the initial pressure and the final pressure, and tells you to find one of them. You can be given three of them, then you find one of them. You can have an example. A certain quantity of ideal gas is maintained at constant temperature in apparatus. Determine the final volume of the gas if its volume is. Now, here we are given the question is determine the final volume. So final volume we said is V2. We are now looking for V2. So the V1 equals to 247 centimeters cubic. P1, pressure 1, we are given it's 62.5 Pascal. Now we are looking for V2, which we don't know that one, and we have pressure 2, which is equals to 82.5 pascals. So through this expression we say that P1 is equals to V2 P2. Now we have our V1, which is 247 multiplied by P2, which is 62.5, equals to V2, we don't know, let's call it X, multiplied by 82.5. Now to get X, using the mathematical formula, we say 247 multiplied by 62.5, you're going to divide it by 82.5. Now our V2, we're going to get 187.12 centimeters cubic. That's how we do it. Okay?